Hi guys, welcome to my channel Spicy. I am so excited to share with you guys of my own version of quick and easy Vietnamese beef noodle soup pho. I want to show you how to make a pho with canned beef broth with full flavors, which only takes 20 to 25 minutes. Ooh, I love it. I love this recipe. Okay, first let's make some garlic oil with olive oil. With 5-6 tablespoons of minced garlic, the garlic can burn very easily, so please stay aside and keep stirring for 4 minutes and turn the heat off. Once you turn the heat off, it will turn into golden brown naturally. I'm gonna make soup base with beef extracts using 3 cans of beef stocks and 6 cans of water. This is a spice pouch made for fall. You can get it from any Asian markets. Throw the pouch into the soup and let it boil for 20 to 30 minutes. Once it boils, add some fresh basils, cilantro, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, half tablespoon of black pepper. Yay! The broth is ready. And the toppings, these are all ready to use. This homemade pho recipe tastes so rich and flavorful, and it's easy to make with your choice of beef, chicken, pork, or shrimp. I used beef shabu-shabu. On a cold evening, after a rough day at work, when you are sick, on a lazy weekend afternoon, a bowl of piping hot pho is always a great idea. Beef pho is not all that hard to make a quick version at home, so please give it a try. Pho can be a nutritious addition to a well-balanced diet with all these rice noodles, tender bites of sliced beef, savory broth, with all these crunch veggies and spicy toppings. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.